Before we get to the proper video, this has come in the post today. Something I've been needing for a while. You ready? Yeah, a proper Yeti cap, one of my favourite brands at the moment. How sick does that look? Oh, you can't see my eyes, so there we go. That's better. A Yeti cap, not sponsored. This is also Yeti. Today we are taking a look at this little bad boy. Oh, focus on that. 16mm, doing a good job of focusing. This is the mini microphone from Saran, and this thing packs a punch. Really good quality little microphone. Doesn't require phantom power. It's made of metal. This thing is solid. It comes with a pop filter already built in. It comes with a dead cat in the box. It sounds amazing. We've been out and we've tested it along with the GoPro. We've had it attached to that, and I've watched the footage back. I'm thinking this might be my new most recommended microphone because it sounds incredible. The wind, well, anyway, let's let the footage and the sound speak for itself. We went out for a little vlog yesterday using this with the GoPro. See what it sounds like. See what you think. Let me know in the comments down below. Saran vlogging microphone. Now, this came in a pack that Ulanzi sent to me. And the one thing that actually stood out of that box was this microphone. It looked really good. It's good build quality. It's made of metal. It comes with both cables. You can use it both with camera and with phone devices. It comes with both the pop filter and the dead cat in the box. Now, I've got both on here. So the pop filter doesn't actually come off the microphone. It's built on. And then you put the dead cat over the top of that. So you got sort of that double whammy protection. It is very windy today. So I'm hoping that this is going to negate any wind noise whatsoever. Let's find a bit of a windy spot. See the leaves blowing. It's not like torrential, but it's windy enough to be picked up on a microphone, I think. It's blowing directly onto the microphone now. How does that sound? Can you use it for vlogging? It's very light, very small, very inconspicuous, so it'd be perfect with this vlogging setup. I usually use the Rode Micro, and I've been happy with that. But this one might be taking that over, actually, you know? I'm quite impressed with it. Well, I think it sounds pretty damn good, to be honest with you, and the fact this fits on there really nice and tight, these two combine, the pop filter and the dead cat, really does help with the wind reduction and the wind noise. So yeah, this is going to be the one I'm going to be rocking very soon. This is in the description down below. It's not a sponsored video. They sent me this, like I said, Ulanzi sent me this in sort of a gift box. So this came with that. But Saran, if you're watching this video, this is a great microphone, guys. Well done. I'm going to be rocking it on my GoPro for my vlogging setup coming soon. We'll try it with the iPhone as well because it comes with both cables in the box, which is really handy. Just a quick video today then, guys. The Saran microphone, if you're looking for something, it's relatively cheap. Incredibly good value for money though. What you're getting here is really good quality. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Lots of stuff coming soon. I know I say that every time, but it's true. I'm trying to get these videos out as quickly as possible. I really do appreciate you all. Give this video a like, it really does help. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.